someone. Rah, rah, rah. Hey, what do you think it's made from? It's just a box, some bottle caps, and paper. Oh, and a bit of glue and paint to help. Oh, hey, I just had a great idea. Here at Wild Art Kids, we can show you how to make one just like this. So come on, it'll be fun.
First, you need to draw some teeth. And a big juicy tongue. Oh yeah, I think pink, purple, and red are a good mix. Yay!
Now, for this next bit, you'll need scissors. If you don't know how to use scissors, get somebody to help you. You don't want to get it out you like me. Mike.
We like to use bottle caps as eyes. Paint the inside black. We're going to use a plain old cardboard box and paint it blue. This is just an egg carton. I'm sure you have one of these in your kitchen. The inside will be a giant mouth, so we'll paint it bright pink. Yay! Let's paint these white. I think they look like giant teeth. Oh, we're going to make a very interesting creature today. Woohoo! The paint has dried. Now we can glue on our teeth and tongue. Oh, I almost forgot. You also need 2 strips of paper to join the pieces together. Use a lot of glue and press hard. Now we can glue on the eyes. If your box has holes, you can add details to bring it to life. Woo! It's finished! What do you think it is? A blue alien or a fish from the bottom of the ocean?
Hello, Wiley.